On Sunday morning, the 11th of December, two friends came and asked me if I would be part of a market the next Saturday. So I first finished this dress and then embarked on the cutting out of 30-something jumpsuits. So in the light of my emergency light, during a thunderstorm and load shedding, I cut out until my hand cramped. And then I cut some more, making sure to mark every piece to keep the sizes together, and then fold them in little heaps, placing them down so I could start sewing as soon as the power came back on. And here you can see me sewing and sewing and sewing, and you know what next. Sewing. This is where we are. This one needs its straps, and I just need to overlock it right around and then give it a facing and its thingies. And this one is a bit different from that one. It still needs a zip in the back and straps and the hem. I have also sewed 7 of these together. My friend will come and overlock them. I've sewed all the straps. She will come and flip them and iron them. And the pockets, I've sewed them right around. She will come and overlock and make them into pockets by folding over the edges and then ironing it flat. So it's Tuesday morning. Our market is on Saturday. Look at this. I think I'm beginning to stress. And the chaos. I've had no time to clean yet. I'm actually off to work now. I'll see you later. It's official. It is 10 to 12. The reason we are sewing at this time is because load shedding. It went off last night at 7. It came back now at just 11:15. We are going to work now until 3 o'clock because then the power is going off again. And in the meantime, there's cats and dogs and a friend. Jay is overlocking Zalon, going at it like crazy. The Bubbles is keeping my chair warm and begging for attention. Pinky is occupying the scrap fabric, and finally this old girl is sleeping because there's been a thunderstorm since 6:30 basically this afternoon. So we've been working for an hour and a half. Sorry about this kitchen, it's a mess. And we're now washing the first line that's finished. And Jay is busy here overlocking the legs. I am finally doing some washing. Hi. Haven't been able to get any done because it would either rain or we won't have power. So the power has come back now at 9 and I'm trying to catch up on stuff. So while that bundle is going, I want to quickly finish. I've done this one and I want to finish those 2. And then the next heap we have to, so there's 3 more of these ones that we have to do. And then that one and that one. And then there's 7 of these that we have to finish. And it's 10:15 o'clock. I hope I get to bed at a decent time. Because last night I had to get up at, I think it was 11:30. And we worked until 3 when the power went off again. And the disrupted sleep does not work well with me. So let me get going and just wait for this bundle of washing to finish. And then I'll go to bed. But in the meantime, I can sit and sew. So I'm going to do the ABC rule. Apply butt to chair and apply my butt to this chair until I've done this. So this is where we are, having a nice worship session while we're working. Those need pockets and hems and bands, and those 2 as well. And yeah, it's still chaotic. There's the time. And we're starting. It's Friday morning. Tomorrow is the market. We have quite a few still to do. I think there's about 13 that needs their bands and their grommets. Jay's cutting out the last pieces for the yellow and marking them. So this is the marketplace. This is Lila's little coffee shop, and we're going to have a little pop-up shop today at this cute little market. It was 7:45 a.m. at this moment, and Jay was still ironing frantically. So I quickly went to her house to help her finish, and we both came to set up for the market. We are set up, and it's raining on and off. So far it went really well, and we sold quite a few things. So we sold 7, I think, and I'm quite happy with the sales.